So, outfits of the day. Shoes are MIA, super cute. They're like Doc Martin replicas. I've worn them all winter long. I have some like really thick black tights to like make it a little bit more wintry. This asymmetrical flap skirt is Discovery Clothing, and this is like one of my favorite turtlenecks. It's actually really long. It comes down to like here. It's amazing. They're from Target. I think it's Morona brand actually. And bag. Philip Lim. Hey.
Is that the toilet paper section? You know, when you don't have toilet paper, you can use all occasion napkins. The back of Whole Foods. So it's this whole delivery fulfillment center. So people don't have to grocery shop. So weird. People are definitely way in though. Ooh, this is such a good brand. I got a bunch of vegan items. I try to eat vegan at home. That's something I've been really strict about over the last couple months. Shout out to my friend Grace. I don't know what possessed me to buy that. Cauliflower mac. Beyond sausage links. These like don't feel like they're wrapped well and they look really strange, but we're gonna try them. Trader Joe's instant oatmeal. Right now, Whole Foods has meatless burgers for super cheap, so I did this. And then I've never had this. This is something called Cowgirl Veggie Steak. I don't even know. I haven't had a steak in a long time. And then this is beefless ground beef. And then I got eggs. I did get eggs. And this is something I found at Trader Joe's. Shakshuka starter. I'm gonna put some eggs and try it. I'm also gonna make vegan lasagna. Hopefully I'll have a video for you guys by then. This is organic 3-grain tempeh. I don't even know what this is really, to be totally honest. It's always in the vegan section. I thought I'd try it out. There's not many options. This is steamed chicken soup dumplings. Those look good. This is also what's gonna go in the lasagna. This brand seems really nice. I think I've had some stuff from them before, but it's a little on the pricier side. Some shampoo and conditioner. Essie 10-second nail polish that we're gonna put to the test as well. In the color Buns Up. Some Target brand Everspring detergent, lavender and bergamot. Some 7-Eleven hand sanitizer, which I'm pretty sure was $19.99. Tuna, can't go wrong with tuna. Can't go wrong with Cheetos. And then I got the lightly sweet Boom Chicka Pop. And then I got 4 cheese herbs. And then some TJ wine. That's it for my haul. What's up? We are back. This is not sponsored. I bought this, I would say a year and a half ago, before these came out really on the market and I saw them mainstream. They all kind of look like this, but I'm here to tell you that this is like the original one. So this is the Philips Lumia Comfort, and I love it. So I've been doing little sections on my body every 2 weeks, I think is the go-to. I haven't had any problems with it. It picks up on my hair, my skin tone. Like I felt wind come in from this window. I'm not losing my mind. I really have been enjoying the new highlight project of the week. It takes, okay, so this is the opening. I don't know if you can see the, yeah. So it's not that long. It's not that big. So it does take a generous amount of time to go over like something that's a span of like your leg or your thigh, But, you know, you just do it in hopes that, you know, you don't have to shave anymore or wax or do whatever you want to do. So today I will be working on my bikini area and my thighs. I will spare you, but I will show you how it works really fast. So you just plug it in, and then it has like the style. So you click it, hold it. Okay, and so these are the different levels. So you click 1, 2, 3. I like it like all the way up, like as bad, like as hard as it will go. And I'll show you like what a test looks like. So see that light, that orange light? That's what tells you it's good to go. So see when it's flashing, it's not. So I have to find another area of my body that it'll pick up on. So that happens so fast. Try it again. So it really doesn't feel like anything, to be totally honest. It's awesome. I highly recommend. Obviously, I know there are alternatives right now on the market that are probably a little bit more cost effective. I think this one ran me close to $300 a couple years ago back at Best Buy. So highly recommend. Anybody else tired of shaving? Let me know. So I'm getting ready to go film, and it's gonna be merciless because I've got to like learn Final Cut pretty much. So these are curls I slept in, and now they're kind of like waves, which I'm okay with because I don't want to look too prom-y. Oh my god, does anybody else have this like nappy in the back? I have no idea what's going on. Yeah, last day of vlogging before I go to next week's vlog, and I haven't even like started editing. Typical. Mari Taikoshi is probably a regional salon, but they're really popular here. So I'm really not trying to curl my hair today. I'm just trying to, as I curl my hair, throw some extra waves in it. So I'm just gonna take like 1-inch sections, like we're talking about like thin ones, and just enough to give it the appearance. You want them to be far away from each other on the barrel. See that space right there? And she explained it so beautifully. Seriously, go follow her. I'll link her curl tutorial down below. And it's nothing like this, so like don't like be prepared. Also, I just kind of like go over the top really quickly, and again, give it that barrel space to give it more of like a long wave instead of a curl. I just paused. So I just kind of crunch it. I'm gonna separate that one. I kind of scoot it up using the other part of the hair. My hair is long enough, like it fits the barrel perfectly, and I want like a little bit of a tail, like hanging off like right there. See, this is where I'm like, I'm not curling my whole hair, and 15 minutes later, I'm still here. Oh. Oh my god, my head is banging right now. Woo! Is this place open? Oh my gosh, guys. This is one of my favorite places. Oh. Hype Foxtrot delivery right now. We have just arrived to Rebecca's. because we're gonna shoot the Marie Kondo video on her vlog, but I will be updating you guys. Maybe I'll throw in some b-roll so you guys can see it and get updated on our progress as well. And oh my lord, that is hurting. Wow.